Well, here we are today at the Nitro Champs. I'm pretty excited because it's the first time I've been to the drags in 12 months. And I got the golf buggy off the car and I just started driving around the pits looking for a car that turned me on. And I found this. Check it out. Now look at that. It's the first time I've seen this car. I got pretty excited when I saw it. Look at that. Anyway, we're going to get down to it. Here's the owner. Hi, I'm Adam, Bag TV.
Hey, Adam.
What's your name?
Rob Evans.
Rob Evans.
I run a 1974 VJ hardtop.
Yeah. VJ, what year model is that?
74.
74.
Yeah.
So it's an Aussie-made car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks different.
I've chopped the roof 2 inches.
Oh, okay.
Just slightly.
Can we have a look at the engine? That is beautiful. That is show. That's a show engine.
It's a 394 cubic inch.
394 cubic inch.
Small block.
Yeah. What size?
W8 heads.
Yeah. W8.
Yep.
Yep.
Mopar heads.
Yep.
R3 Mopar block.
Yep.
Two 1050 Dominators on it.
Two 1050 Dominators. That's a lot of fuel to go into a small cube.
Yeah.
Now, you told me something just as I pulled up. What's this rev to?
9.5.
9,500 RPM. I'll be getting this one on the start line. Is it auto or manual?
Auto.
Auto?
Yep.
Trans brake, torque flight?
Pro flight.
Pro flight?
Yep.
What's a pro flight? Is that from the States?
Yes.
3-speed?
Yep.
What store converter would you have in that?
8.2.
8,200 stall. Can you believe that? This is unbelievable. Look at the polished heads.
And I've had it 35 years.
You've had it 35 years. Congratulations. That is unreal. This is like a show car. Honestly, people, the camera probably doesn't do it justice. He's got a bit of a Mad Max grill. It's got headlights. So is this a super stock? Oh no, it's SSA.
Yeah.
Could you rate super stock in this?
No, because I've chopped the roof.
Oh.
Yeah. But,
And you come all the way over from South Australia. When did you get here?
yesterday morning.
Right, that'd be a bit of a drive, 16 hours.
Yeah, I drove all the way up to Goulburn, stayed there an hour and a half from there to here.
Right. So, I love the way these cars start. The with the starter motor.
Yeah. No, this one doesn't.
Doesn't?
No, it's still around.
Oh, okay. Can we have a look in the office, please? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Parachute. Look at the shifter. This is so nice. Oh, you've kept the original wheel. Trans brake button. Wow. Shift light. Oh yeah, it's nice and tidy. I tell you what, in real, like, up close, this car is very, very clean. Polished door trims. What size tyres are under the back?
They're only 13 and a half, 13.
So there's not a real big tyre.
I've still got the original chassis rails.
Yep.
So I've tubbed it to the chassis rail. I can only fit a 10 inch rim.
Right.
So I'll put 13 inch tyres on it.
And how's it go for traction?
Hooks up right.
Wheel stands?
Yeah. Try to keep it down.
Right, we'll have to check this out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love these. I knew there was something different about it. It's the roof. That's a big job. To cut the roof. What made you cut the roof?
I had a red two-door. I raced for 12 years. I showed it.
Yep.
And the missus said to me, "Oh, you're going to make this one a little bit different."
Right.
So at the stage, there was a lot of EHs and FCs.
Yeah.
Getting chopped. I thought, I'll do that.
Because you've had it for so long. Well, there you go, folks. Look at that. That is awesome. I can't wait to see this run. On the quarter, I'll be sure to get it. So if you like what you see, hit like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the track. Thank you very much for your time today.
Adam.
Good luck. Enjoy yourself.
Will do.
Okay, thank you. Bye.